Now you can easily make 100 to $700 per day using this simple method. Go to quora.com and write best shoes for running. Copy the first question. Go to ChatGPT.com and write article for best shoes for Quora. It will generate a very best and SEO friendly article for running shoes for Quora, which is ranked high in Quora. Copy this whole article and paste in answer section of this question. Now go to amazon.com. Make sure you have a Amazon affiliate account. Write Adidas running shoes or whichever you want. Choose any shoes which will you want to promote. Copy the affiliate link of the shoes. Write some catchy line. When user see it, they will click. Whenever user will click on it, you will get a high commission by Amazon. It is a very best way to generate passive income with compounding interest.